Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join JYNX Jedi Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your browser and type on the search bar uh, JYNX Jedi Discord server. Now, go on the first website, Discord bot list. Okay, click on join uh, JYNX Jedi Discord server. Close this. Wait for a few moments and click on join server. Now wait for 10 seconds. Now cut this. That's it. You have been invited to join the server. Now if you can't join the server uh, through the direct link, just go again on the browser, copy the link, open your Discord, go on the left side, click on add a server, click on join a server. There's the link over here and just click on join server. And that's it. You are good to go. So that's it for the video. That's how you can join the server. Thanks for watching.